hand me that? Thank you very much.
You helping mommy? You helping mommy put the dishes away?
Oh, almost. Almost. You almost got it. A little bit more. Oh, there you go. A little bit more.
Pull it.
Maybe you could do the short forks. Here, how about this one? How about this one right here? Oh, spoon's good. Is it kind of hard? Oh, thank you. I'll take it.
Give it to mommy.
I'll take it. Thank you. Thank you.
There you go.
Thank
Good
you.
girl.
That's a big one.
Good girl, Ellie.
The cutest thing I've ever seen. Thank you. You are so helpful. You help with laundry. You help with the dishes.
Give it to mommy. Give it to mommy.
Thank
Good girl.
you.
Good girl, Ellie.
Thank you, sweetheart.
20 more to go.
Oh, I'll take it. Thank you. Thank you. You should be very proud of yourself.
Ellie. Ellie. Psst. Hey.
Thank you.